The one that we're gonna be doing is this one right here. And it's spread out big because it's 1,500 units. So 4 stories, it goes across like a fucking mile. It's like a little city. So this is all us right here. This is Costa Verde. This is one of the properties, the whole property that we're gonna be working on. This right here is the Lux, which is brand new. We did all the window cleaning on this. You can see that they're building the second tower over there on the opposite end. These towers are the towers of Costa Verde. We did both of these. We spent a month down here just cleaning windows for days. All this shit, man. You're talking at least, it goes further down than that. So you can kind of see where the foundation stops right there. It goes down double that. So it's a deep hole, but it looks like they're already about to have their whole foundation built. And then they'll build up from there. Once the concrete's built, then they'll have, that's the parking structure. It goes down 5 levels and then they'll start building up. They'll have this one's actually gonna be bigger than the other Lux Tower. This is where we are today. We are here for this one. It doesn't look big, but it's huge. You see it down there where all the hair tops go to? It goes all the way down. So it's technically, this property is bigger than these properties, these high properties. It's just not as tall. Now, I don't know if you can see from what you see those black marks on the building right there that are from the gutters and off the rooftops. You can see it. That is what we're cleaning. So we're cleaning that throughout the whole property, 1,500 unit property, and that's what we're gonna be cleaning. So right now, we're doing a quick walk, and we'll show you guys some up close shots of the stuff that we're gonna be doing. But this job's already pretty much in the bag. We're just gonna walk it with the property manager and also the engineering management so we can get a proposal drafted up and get this thing on the schedule. Look, it's that guy again. What's up, buddy? Chilling, man?
Yeah. I heard you cleaning the walls now.
Yeah, of course. We do all that. Yeah. I came out, I did a little section for you guys, and they said it came out good, so I was happy with it.
That's what I heard.
Yeah. I just park on one of these, or should I park on the side?
Can you get one of these future resident buildings?
Okay.
Just to keep this area kind of...
Oh, yeah, because it's kind of packed right now.
Yeah. Because this guy chooses to work.
Yeah, well, Mark's the man. He's presidential around here. He's the big dog for all these properties, so he's not like the main boss, but he's one of the he's actually the one right under the main boss that runs all these properties basically. He runs this one, he runs this one, he runs the Lux, he runs all these things down here in San Diego. So okay. I'll pull off to the right, or do you want me to take one of the future residents?
You can take the future resident, that's cool.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna go do a quick walk, and we'll get you guys some good content of how this property looks.